Hey guys, and welcome to Best Reviews. Today we're looking at the new Mavic Air drone and answering the important question, is it worth it? We've had the opportunity to review drones before, but we were quite excited for the opportunity to get our hands on the Mavic Air. DJI is known as an industry leader in drone technologies, and so the Mavic Air comes with a lot of expectations and excitement. We wanted to see if it would live up to those expectations, and ultimately, if it really is worth the cost in the end. We are lucky to have had the chance to take it for a spin just now and look at some of these cool new features. The new Mavic Air comes chock full of features that drone pilots are looking for. It boasts a 3-axis gimbal, 4K camera, up to 21 minutes of flight time, as well as controllerless smart capture. Overall, the drone handles great. Relative to other drones, it's extremely smooth, it's extremely fast, and its camera quality is cutting edge. It shares some similar design characteristics with its close relatives, the Mavic Pro and the Spark. But it improves upon it in a few ways, including size, video transmission, flight time, flight speed, low noise, 3-dimensional environmental sensing, more intelligent functions, and its ability to shoot 32-megapixel spear panorama. The drone comes with a controller, which is pretty straightforward and easy to operate, especially if you've flown drones before, though the Mavic Air, like DJI's Spark, offers you the ability to operate the drone using just your phone, or with some gesture controls, and no remote at all. It also improves upon the Mavic's already light and compact size. It measures only 6.6 inches long and 3.2 inches wide when collapsed, meaning it's already travel ready for those that want to capture their vacation from a different perspective. The 21-minute flight time provides you with ample room to capture even more footage than before. With 4 kilometers of range, you can fly fairly far. We were impressed by the Mavic Air's wind resistance technology, which held up quite well under some windy conditions, especially considering how small and lightweight the drone is. The camera quality is really impressive. It features a 3-axis gimbal camera, which shoots in 4K. It also performed well in a variety of lighting conditions, and its ability to capture highlights was particularly strong. The bottom line is, for the price of $799, the Mavic Air is a costly investment. But for a drone that delivers on many hoped-for updates, we think that it's worth the flashy price tag, especially if you plan on doing a lot of high-end videography or photography and are looking for a portable, feature-packed drone. Be sure to check us out online at bestreviews.com and please subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/bestreviews. See you next time.